packet tracer tool. There is some tools on the ASTM. If you are having the ASTM, these are the tools available for some basic troubleshooting testing. Okay, some management of the devices as well. So you can go into the tool. There is a command line, for example. If you type any command and you can see the command from here. So, okay, for example, show R. Okay, you see, it's there. So if you want, you don't have the command line access, show interface IP brief. It will show you the output of those commands as well. Okay, show name if, show connection, yeah, show connections, show CONN. Okay, these are the connections established already. Show name if. Okay, and Ajesh has not fixed its DMZ yet. So, and there are other tools like packet from the here 2020.21.1. It shows the input is working. You can ping from the firewall. So this is you are pinging from the firewall. The firewall is also able to ping as well. Okay. So there is a trace route command as well. If you want to trace route, let's say 8.8.8.8 from the firewall, you can see the firewall is able to reach to the internet as well. Clear? So this is the commands. These are some of the tools. Also, you can do the file management. For example, you can upload a download to the file as well in the firewall. Okay. So you can software upgrade as well if you want to. So all these tools are available. Downgrade the software, backup the configuration, restore the configuration, system reload. All these things you can do from here.
But the way the licensing option?
Licensing is the show version.
No, on the ASDM.
Wait a second. Show version is the licensing option. From the ASTM licensing point of view, I'm not clear at the moment where they should be. But let me see. No, I'm not sure about that where you can see, but maybe you can search on the internet how to check the ASTM licensing option.
Okay, no worries.
Okay, I believe, one second, I think you can see from the monitoring and platform, something like that. You can see from here. System resources. You should be able to see the properties or interface or like in somewhere in the
could
properties.
Be in the maintenance device maybe or monitoring.
Yeah, there's somewhere maybe.
Yeah. It's not in the tools, right?
Okay.
Upgrade software for local computer.
Okay. Yeah. Okay. Leave it. Let's go to the packet trace. Okay.